The iPhone has always been a popular smartphone, and for good reason. It's sleek, powerful, and easy to use. But one thing that's been missing from the iPhone lineup is a flip phone option. That's something that could change in the future. Rumored iPhone flip. There have been rumors for years that Apple is working on a flip phone version of the iPhone, and recently, those rumors have intensified. Leaked images and videos have shown a device that looks very similar to a classic flip phone, but with a modern twist. The rumored iPhone flip would have a foldable display that would allow it to be folded in half, making it much more compact and easy to carry around. Why an iPhone flip? So why would Apple make a flip phone? There are a few reasons. First, flip phones are still popular in some parts of the world. In fact, Samsung has been very successful with its Galaxy Z Flip line of flip phones. Second, a flip phone would be a great way to differentiate the iPhone from other smartphones. It would be a unique and stylish device that would appeal to a lot of people. And third, a flip phone would be a great way to make the iPhone even more portable. It would be perfect for people who want a small, easy-to-use phone. What to expect from an iPhone flip? If Apple does release a flip phone, it's likely to be a very premium device. It will probably have a high-end OLED display, a powerful processor. It will also likely be very expensive. But that's something that Apple fans are used to. So when can we expect to see an iPhone flip? That's a good question. There's no official word from Apple, but some analysts believe that it could be released as early as next year. We'll just have to wait and see. But if Apple does release a flip phone, it's sure to be a popular device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.